Behind me, we have a Dockerfile lab. In this lab, we're going to set up a Python environment that is going to have a bind mount. I have a diagram of the bind mount. On the left side of the diagram is what is actually going on behind the scene. We have your bind mount interacting with Docker.fs, which is managed by the Docker engine, which talks to your host file system to pass that file through to your container. So keep that in mind as we walk through these instructions. We'll start by making a folder called app. In that folder, we will make a file called requirements.txt. And in requirements.txt, we will just paste Flask and save that. Then we have to make an app.py file. So it's nano./app.py. And then we're just gonna type in some Python code real quick. So from Flask, import Flask app equals Flask. I'll pass through the name. All right, we now have our Python file and we'll save that. And now we have to make our Docker file. Let's go ahead and let's do a Docker file. That is nano Docker file. It is from Python 3.12 slim. That's where we're going to get our base image from. We're going to pass to an environment variable, and that variable is Python buffer equals 1. We're going to pass through a working directory by using working dir, and that is /app. We're then going to copy our requirements.txt. We're then going to run a pip install. We're then going to copy the app code. We're then going to expose our port, and then we're going to run app.py. So to build out that command, we just issue a docker build t flask demo, and we'll give it a few minutes. We should then be able to start this container using docker run -d-p 5000 flask demo. And we'll let that run in the background. Now, if we were to do a curl http localhost 5000 ut, we get a response back, hello from Docker container. And that is how you use a Docker file to make a custom Docker image, boys. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe either here on TikTok or down below at my YouTube channel. Otherwise, stay blessed. I'll see y'all next video.